Barry here from Epic Cycles, and today I am reviewing the Punk Rider Pro scooter. It's actually the second time I'm reviewing it because why not? It's a great scooter, and since the first time I've gained a lot more experience with it. I've actually built a special connection to it because, as you know, I do review and ride many different brands, many different scooters, many different models, many different personal electrical vehicles for that matter, and I happen to have a Punk Rider scooter in my garage at home as one of my choices, one of my personal choices. Why? It's because it's a great all-around scooter. It's not necessarily the fastest scooter, not necessarily the biggest range or the best suspension in the world or the best brakes, but it packs all the features that you want and more, and it's very portable. It's great for everybody to use. My kids use it, their friends use it, and I'm confident that, you know, it's a much better than any regular entry-level scooter, and not too big, not too heavy, like high-end mid-level or high-end scooters, which is going to be a little bit too much sometimes. And even for myself, sometimes I don't feel like, you know, I want something small, nimble, that could get around easy, not too big, easy to carry, easy to fold, has every great feature. I mean, this scooter has dual 600-watt motors. So that's 1,200 watts of power, giving me speeds of up to 50 kilometers per hour, which in my opinion is plentiful. As you can see, very nice suspension, as rubber cartridge suspension, both in the front and the rear. So you see that, making going over bumps, sewers, or whatnot a breeze. Moreover, we've got beautiful sine wave controllers inside this deck, giving it a very smooth acceleration and deceleration. As you can see here, I'm riding here very comfortably. And of course, who could forget the regenerative braking system, which I've never seen on any other scooter. So you could actually charge your batteries while riding. It's not gonna obviously provide a full charge, but it's gonna give you something at least, right? So that's really nice. We got front and rear brakes that are they actually use drum brakes. So drum brakes is kind of an older braking system, but a proven reliable one. So it's kind of cool that they've reverted back to an old system that works. So I mean, why not? They seem to last longer, very simple and easy to maintain as well. And another thing to mention, now we're talking about braking, we got 10-inch by 3-inch tires, which is a very nice size. It's big enough. I think 10-inch by 3-inch to me is like the ideal size for scooter tires. They're Innova tires, but moreover, they are self-healing tires. So they have a special gel inside that if any punctures occur, light-duty punctures, of course, nothing major, of course, but any light-duty punctures, they self-heal, meaning the gel kind of absorbs the hole, covers it, and you could keep riding. So, you know, more riding and less time in the shop. So that's a wonderful feature that is included in here. And range-wise, inside this deck, we got a 52-volt, 18-amp-hour battery, and that's going to give you ranges of anywhere from 40 kilometers up to about 70 kilometers in range. So again, very plentiful to get around in the city. And one of my favorite features, of course, it's not really a feature, but it's the look of this. I mean, look at this scooter. It is absolutely stunning in this space gray, decked out in black rubber. Just really, really cool display. It just looks beautiful. The 360-degree lighting, you could be seen from anywhere. So this is probably one of the best, if not the best looking scooters out there today in the market. So everything, you know, equals greatness here. And the folding system folding system is the easiest by far in any scooter I've ever dealt with. So that's something that's important, right? Because when you're on the go, there's nothing more annoying than a scooter that takes, you know, 5-10 minutes or to fold, unfold. I mean, maybe I'm exaggerating by 5-10 minutes, but you know, there are some scooters, and I'm sure you could comment below, that you know, you've struggled with before and cursed opening or closing. But this one, it literally takes 2 to 3 seconds tops to fold, unfold. It's just a breeze, and I love it. Yeah, so here we are in the heart of the city, Yonge and Dundas Square. Let's get around. Go ahead. Oh, we got signals. Let me use the signals. So I'm turning right. It's also got an amazing app, which I like. You can do a lot. You can control everything through the app. You can customize your settings, how fast you want it to go, how slow you want it to go, kickstart, non-kickstart, many features. Turn on the lights, lock the scooter. You can lock the scooter, so if you're leaving it behind, nobody can really, well, I guess they can pick it up, but they can't. But the motors will seize up, they'll lock up, they can't ride it, right? So these are all very nice features, gives you your specs. There's the suspension test, very nice. I like it. Also, we don't need to fear any water with the scooter. It has a very high IPX rating of 6, so going through puddles, splashes, or a little rain will not harm the scooter. Go for it, you can do it. Of course, avoid very heavy rainfalls or submerging in water. Water will find its way in, but an IPX rating of 6, rain, snow, go for it. The scooter is just plain old fun, nimble, and easy to use. Easy to maneuver and get around in. It's a breeze. Woo! So we're approaching dusk here now in Toronto, and you know, I'm feeling confident because this, look at these lights. It can be seen anywhere basically, so everybody sees you. It's the best. Another item I forgot to mention earlier was that the scooter, obviously it comes equipped with full front and rear fenders, and again, not little fenders, I'm talking about full fenders. If you look at the back, it's completely covered, so this is going to protect you from that mud and water splashing up on you. So another great feature here. Easy to hop the scooter too, so because of its portability and how light it is, you can just step on the rear deck and bring up the wheel. So I've been hopping a lot of bumps just to avoid them or whatever it is, or hopping curbs if you want, you can do that too. As you can see, the center of balance is very good. I'm standing right at the edge of the scooter, and I can still control it, going very easily, straight and smooth. Remember everybody, scootering is a lot of fun, but can also be dangerous. So as a reminder, please ride responsibly. Obey the laws. Respect your surroundings, respect pedestrians, respect other vehicles on the road. And you know, with that, nobody's gonna bother you. Police won't bother you either, of course. And it can be a lot of fun, but things can turn real quick. Always remember, protect your most important asset, yourself. Protect your head, always wear a helmet, and any other gear specific to the type of vehicle you're riding, of course. You know, with e-motos, you're going to want to gear up a little bit more, EUCs as well, but bare minimum with scooters, I'm going to say always wear a helmet. I like to wear gloves because, you know, road rash. I had an incident a couple times when I wasn't wearing gloves, so I try to always wear gloves as well. It's very good. And of course, dress properly for the ride. Before I was wearing a t-shirt, and you know, the ride can get uncomfortable, especially with even if it's hot and you're riding, don't forget you're outside, you're going at high speeds, high winds, it's going to get colder a lot faster. So dress appropriately for the ride responsibly, and you'll have a lot of fun. Yeah, so in this review, been riding this scooter, as I said, pretty much all day from 5 p.m. to now 10:30 with a lot of heavy riding, really, you know, like a lot of stopping, going, accelerating, decelerating, jumping off curbs, just having fun pretty much, really pushing the scooter to its limits. And, you know, 5.5 hours later, we're still rocking and rolling. So yeah, it's the scooter lasts. If you're wondering if it can get you around a day's worth of riding, here's the proof. The answer is yes, yes it can. Still riding smooth, still moving at the same speed, no signs of slowdown. It's just a little bit after 11 p.m. and I'm bashing the crap out of this battery. I mean, I've only done about 26 kilometers, but like heavy, and we're still going. I'm sitting here at 47.7 volts. So I'm assuming I still have another maybe 8 to 10 kilometers left in the tank here, but that's, again, plenty. That's, you know, 6 hours of hard riding, and we're going strong. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed this thorough ride and review of the Punk Rider Pro electric scooter. It is available, of course, as we mentioned, at Epic Cycles in Canada, epiccycles.ca. Check out the website. We'll leave the links below in the description, and as well in the USA at epicerides.com. A super affordable scooter, a scooter that is just much better than any entry-level scooter you'll ever come across, with a low mid-level price in the low thousands of dollars. You can own this scooter today. They are available. It features a 52 volt 18 amp hour battery for ranges between 40 to 70 kilometers, dual 600 watt motors for 1200 watts of power, topping speeds at 50 kilometers per hour. The scooter features an IPX6 water resistant rating, so very high water resistance rating, has full fenders in the front and back that completely covers your tires to protect you from any splashes, mud along your journey. 10-inch by 3-inch Innova tires that have self-healing gel inside them to protect against any puncture. Little punctures, they'll heal it up on their own. Obviously a beautiful 360-degree lighting system that lights up, blazes up the skies. I had people breaking their neck looking at me today, wondering what is this spaceship passing by. It's just a marvelous looking scooter, very beautifully designed. Again, I can't reiterate it. The easiest system for folding available. I'll demonstrate how quick it is. That's it. Refolded, done. Literally unfolded, refolded, 4 seconds, 2 seconds each way, so it doesn't get any easier. No fidgeting, no swearing or breaking your hands for this. This is really easy. It's a super portable scooter, very light. I'm gonna guess it around, I forgot to check the specs, but probably about 50 pounds or so. Very comfortable scooter to ride, sine wave controllers, easy to control, regenerative braking. You got on the right side your thumb throttle, on the left side, on the right side we got your thumb throttle, on the left side we have our regen brake. You have horn, which I forgot to mention, as well as signal lights. Here's your signal lights for the right. Here's your signal lights for the left. Very bright integrated braking lights on the rear fender and the rear deck. We also have rubber cartridge suspension, both on the front and rear. Goes over bumps, curbs, nooks, crannies, sewers very easily. As you saw, I was jumping it with ease, going over bumps with ease, not a problem. Drum braking system, an older system, but a very effective system. Brakes will last long, plus with your regenerative braking system, you're sure to save on braking wear and tear. So yeah, check it out. If you guys like this video, like this review, don't forget to smash us a like, subscribe for more awesome content. Check us out on Instagram at Epic Cycles or Epic E-Rides. We'd love to hear your comments below. Again, we'll leave all the product links below in the description. And until next time, wishing you an epic day or night. Peace.
EpicCycles.ca